Think back to your childhood days, lots of you might have ended the school year with a field day.
You know, the sack races, maybe tug of war, that sort of thing. A chance to have some fun, chance to compete with your classmates. Well, today, public works crews with the town of Farragut had the opportunity to do something like that, but it's called an equipment rodeo.
I like this. Workers go against the clock and their co-workers as they mow the grass on a closed course, demonstrate their skills by picking up items or setting them down with a backhoe and skid loader. Whole lot of fun, obviously, but also really good practice for a real purpose that serves the public.
We're considered first responders, so when trees go down, when flooding situations happen, we're the first ones that come out to help out everybody else that's a first responder, police, fire, and rescue. And so we just continue to work together with them, with our community, to try and keep our citizens as safe as we can and try and, provide a place that they enjoy living in.
I think next year I should invite them to do this in my yard. That way I can get some things done, right? This comes as part of National Public Works Week, a time to appreciate those workers for what they do. Rodeos like this are happening in a lot of communities with the chance to compete at the state and even national levels.